Affectionately known by most as the 007 Bond car. The DB9 is a 6-litre V12, a beautifully handcrafted masterpiece which dances between graceful and pure monster. The V12 power plant puts out 450 horsepower and reaches 100k in 4.6 seconds. From factory, the exhaust note is good, giving an inkling to what lies under the hood. But it does leave you wanting that little bit more. When your business model is offering people the true supercar experience, you don't want just good, you need it to be amazing. Enter the Kaizen Works team. Darren's goal being to improve the acoustics and enhance overrun to help add to the thrill of those riding in the car. This modification replaces the restrictive factory secondary catalytic converters for increased exhaust flow and an improvement in exhaust tone. A whole litre of primary cats in the main headers still remain with 1 per 3 cylinders. The factory rear muffler box also remains untouched. One of the first things we did was create a new flange point so that options could easily be swapped between, so we installed a 2.5 inch V-band to each bank, just downstream of the secondary cats. We then flanged the factory cats so the car can be converted back to stock quickly and easily. We would record decibel readings in a variety of situations, being an external drive-by, a launch, and a free rev, for each of our 4 configurations. The stock note is really nice with no drone. It has a subtle, menacing V12 growl under light load and acceleration. This note does disappear when you're higher in the rev range and becomes a little lost. We were somewhat shocked at the overall noise reduction of the X-Pipe. It was quieter in the stock system, but higher pitched as the revs increased, which was not particularly nice or really in keeping with the car's style. The H-pipe provided the second best gain in noise and was second on our list of preferred sound as well. It retained more of the factory noise but still did not really deliver quite enough of an overall noise improvement. The straight decat pipes provided an increased factory tone that now carried right through the rev range. The factory rear muffler was still hard at work maintaining no drone when coasting, which was great. The nice growl under light load was still present, and an enhanced aggressive bark when on the loud pedal now clawed its way out of the tailpipes.